Hello everyone and welcome to Storytime today. You ready to get started? Let me see those big hello hands. Here we go. Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you? How are you? Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you today? Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you? How are you? Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you today? Bravo! Let me see those big hello hands. Here we go. My hand says hello. My hand says hello. Every time I see my friends, my hand says hello. My chin says hello. My chin says hello. Every time I see my friends, my chin says hello. My feet say hello. My feet say hello. Every time I see my friends, my feet say hello. My hands say hello. My hands say hello. Every time I see my friends, my hands say hello. Well done. All right, let's do the more we get together. I know you guys know that one. Nice and loud. Here we go. The more we get together, 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 the more we get together, the happier we'll be. 'Cause your friends are my friends and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. Bravo. All right, do you guys know your colors? Spring is coming very slowly, but it's going to bring lots of new colors. So let's see if you guys know some. Ready? If you're wearing pink today, pink today, pink today. If you're wearing pink today, stand up and shout hooray! If you're wearing blue today, blue today, blue today. If you're wearing blue today, stand up and shout hooray! If you're wearing green today, green today, green today. If you're wearing green today, stand up and shout hooray! If you're wearing purple today, purple today, purple today. If you're wearing purple today, stand up and shout hooray! If you're wearing yellow today, yellow today, yellow today. If you're wearing yellow today, stand up and shout hooray! Good job. All right, here we go. Ready? Rum-pum-pum, this is my drum. Rum-pum-pum, this is my drum. My name is, do you know? Can you yell it out nice and loud? Miss Kate. Good job. On the count of 3, I want you to yell your name out as loud as you can. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Good job. All right, my friends. So like I said, spring is coming, and with spring comes all the baby animals. So today, we're going to read about some baby birds. And our first one is about a baby duck. What does a duck say? Quack, quack, quack. Good job. Here we go. Click, Clack, Peep by Doreen Cronin and Betsy Lewin. From Anthony Books for Young Readers. Click, Clack, Peep. Farmer Brown stuck his head out the window. The farm was too quiet. Everyone was watching the egg. Not a moo, not a click, not an oink, not a clack. Not a baa, not a clunk, not a thing. Then a crack. Inside the barn, everyone gathered closer. Moo, crack, baa, crack, oink, crack, cluck, crack. Moo, crack, baa, crack, oink, crack, baby duck. Baby duck laughed, peep, 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 and laughed again. Baby duck waddled, peep, 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 and waddled again. Baby duck played, peep, 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 and played again. The animals yawned, peep, 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 and yawned again. The chicken sang a lullaby, but Baby duck would not sleep, peep, peep, peep. The cows lowered the shades, but Baby duck would not sleep, peep, peep, peep. The sheep knitted a blanket, but Baby duck would not sleep, peep, peep, peep. The chickens went outside to get some sleep. The cows went outside to get some sleep. The sheep went outside to get some sleep. The mice went outside to get some sleep. The duck took off his headphones, peep, 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 and put them on the farmer. He put Baby duck into a bucket, peep, peep, peep. He covered her with a blanket, peep, peep, peep. He carried her outside, peep, peep, peep. He climbed into the tractor, peep, peep, peep. He buckled up the seatbelts, peep, 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 and backed out of the barnyard, beep, beep, beep. He drove back and forth, peep, 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 back and forth, peep, 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 back and forth, peep, peep, sleep. Farmer Brown opened his eyes after a good night's sleep. Not a moo, not a cluck, not a clack. Not a peep. Oh my goodness, what a mess. The end. Well done. Who hasn't fallen asleep in the car, right? Sometimes that's all it takes. All right, how about if we sing When the Animals Get Up in the Morning today? And we'll do a duck. And what else was in our book? How about a cow and a pig? Ready? Here we go. When the duck gets up in the morning, she always says good day. When the duck gets up in the morning, she always says good day. She says, quack, quack, quack. That is what she says. She says, quack, quack, quack. That is what she says. When the cow gets up in the morning, he always says good day. When the cow gets up in the morning, he always says good day. He says, moo. That is what he says. He says, moo. That is what he says. When the pigs get up in the morning, they always say good day. When the pigs get up in the morning, they always say good day. They say, oink, oink, oink. That is what they say. They say, oink, oink, oink. That is what they say. When the children get up in the morning, they always say good day. When the children get up in the morning, they always say good day. They say, hooray! That is what they say. They say, hooray! That is what they say. Good job. All right, friends, can I see all 10 of your crazy fingers? We're going to do a little open, shut them. Here we go. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Put them in your lap, lap, lap. Creepy crawl them right up to your chin. Open wide your little mouth, but do not let them in. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Put them in your lap, lap, lap. Creepy crawl them right down to your toes. Let them fly up in the air and boop you on the nose. Boop, 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 boop. Good job. All right, friends, do you know Acca-Bacca Soda Cracker? I bet you do. Here we go. Acca-Bacca Soda Cracker, Acca-Bacca Boo. Acca-Bacca Soda Cracker, I love you. Acca-Bacca Soda Cracker, Acca-Bacca Boo. Acca-Bacca Soda Cracker, up goes you. Well done. Should we do that one more time? One more time? I think so. Here we go. Acca-bacca soda cracker, acca-bacca boo. Acca-bacca soda cracker, I love you. Acca-bacca soda cracker, acca-bacca boo. Acca-bacca soda cracker, up goes you. Good job. All right, friends, since we're singing about some birds today, how about if we do Old MacDonald, okay? And what kind of animal should we do at Old MacDonald's? How about if we do a chicken? And what else haven't we done? How about a horse? And how about if we do a sheep? I think that's good. Ready? Here we go. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh here and a neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh, neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a chicken, E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck, cluck here and a cluck, cluck there, here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck, cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a baa here and a baa there, here a baa, there a baa, everywhere a baa, baa. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Bravo, friends. All right, let me see your roly-poly hands. Here we go. Roly-poly, roly-poly, out, 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 out. Roly, roly-poly, roly, roly-poly, in, in, in. In, in, in. Roly-poly, roly-poly, up, 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 up. Roly, roly-poly, roly, roly-poly, down, 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 down. Roly-poly, roly-poly, fast, 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 fast. Roly, roly-poly, roly, roly-poly, slow, slow, slow. Slow, slow, slow. Roly-poly, roly-poly, loud, 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 loud. Roly, roly-poly, roly, roly-poly, soft, 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 soft. Well done. All right, my friends, it's time for our next book, and this one is about two birdie friends. Peep and Ducky by David Martin, illustrated by David Walker. From Candlewick Press. Ducky's in the park on a warm sunny day. Here comes Peep yelling, "Ducky, want to play?" Ducky runs to Peep. Peep runs to Ducky. Such good friends. Lucky, lucky, lucky. Play cars, says Peep. Beep, beep, says Ducky. I'm a Jeep, says Peep. I'm a trucky, says Ducky. Brum, brum, brum. They zoom up the slide. Then ready, set, go. Whee! What a ride. Ducky flies off. Peep lands, ka-thump. Both go rolling. Bump, bump, bump. Peep rubs his head. Ducky rubs his bummy. Then Peep pops up and tickles Ducky's tummy. Tag, you're it, shouts Ducky. Can't catch me. And they run around and run around and run around the tree. There's a puddle, yells Ducky, and quicker than a flash, splash, they're in it. Splish, splish, splash. Flop in the mud, flip, flop, wiggle. Two muddy friends, one big giggle. Hungry, says Peep. Thirsty, says Ducky. Papa's got snacks. Lucky, lucky, lucky. Peep says, oops, it spilled, says Ducky. Juice on the loose, not so lucky. Oh, gotta pee, oh, gotta go. Lucky Peep and Ducky, 2 potties in a row. Peep grabs the bucket, so does Ducky. Uh-oh, it breaks. Not so lucky. Oops, says Peep. Oh no, says Ducky. Sorry, says Peep. Me too, says Ducky. Then they dig, 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 and diggity, diggity, dig, and diggity, 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 dig, dig. Then Mama says time, and Papa says to go. But Ducky and Peep cry, no, no, no. Stay, says Ducky, please, Papa, Papa. But they gotta go, gotta, gotta, gotta. So they do high fives and say see you later. Then they both start singing, see you later, alligator. Then Mama lifts Peep and Papa lifts Ducky. And they ride home piggyback. Lucky, lucky, lucky. The ends. Well done. That one's one of my favorites. I love those characters. Well, I'm sorry to say, my friends, that is all we have time for today. So can I see your big goodbye hands? Let me see them. Here we go. Goodbye, see you soon. Goodbye, see you soon. Goodbye, see you soon on another day. Goodbye, see you soon. Goodbye, see you soon. Goodbye, see you soon on another day. Bravo, my friends. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Please be sure to check out the comments below for a fun animal-themed craft, and we'll see you all again soon. Bye-bye.